We work hard to give everyone the very best, and when we hear we've made a difference, it makes it all worthwhile. Here's a fantastic review about just one of many happy experiences. So it should come as no surprise that we love hearing from people that are happy and satisfied, and this review is no exception in showing our dedication to superior service. This is also one of our favourite reviews, very inspiring. Find out why everyone values their experience with us so much. They keep coming back over and over again. We're proud to say we've earned our glowing reviews one at a time. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in more information, please contact us at the number on your screen. We look forward to talking to you.